Hi, I'm Zach White, product specialist for Yanmar Compact Equipment North America, and I'd like to tell you about our new model in our mid-frame size class of compact track loaders, the VT-80. The VT-80 is a vertical lift compact track loader that has a rated operating capacity of 2,800 pounds with a lift height over 10 feet. It is powered with a 74 horsepower Yanmar engine with the capability to travel up to 9 miles per hour and a high flow option of 34 gallons per minute through the auxiliary circuit. The ASV VT-80 has been developed primarily to meet the rigors and challenges of the landscaping, forestry, and construction markets. The VT-80 features includes a suspension system made up of two independent torsion axles per undercarriage, allowing for a smooth ride over every type of terrain and speeds as fast as 9 miles an hour. Torsion axles allow the flexible track to maximize contact with the ground, increasing pushing power and lowering ground pressure as low as 4 psi. This optimal weight distribution means greater performance in steep, wet, muddy, and slippery conditions. It also contributes to less risk of damage to sensitive turf. With a 17.7-inch wide track, ground pressure is only 4 psi, allowing the loader to function well in just about any ground condition. The loader can come as open ROPS or with an optional all-weather enclosed cab with heat and air conditioning. For additional protection, the swing-out door can come with a half-inch thick poly. The cab structure is ROPS compliant, has a level 1 FOPS rating with an optional cab having a FOPS level 2 rating. The enclosed cab seals tightly and is pressurized to help keep out dust and debris. The loader has 2 forward, 2 rear facing LED lights, optional LED side lights, and a rotating beacon. Ingress and egress of the loader is easy and safe with a low instep and wide foot. On the potential enclosed cab, a swing-out door provides ample space for entry or exit. Protect the operator, a lap bar that pivots from the side and the seat belt help to retain the operator in seat. The loader can be outfitted with an optional 3-inch wide seat belt or a 3-point seat belt. Industry-leading cab visibility for 360-degree view and increased visibility with optional backup camera. Inside the cab is a 7-inch color touchscreen display for easy and intuitive monitoring of the loader. Mechanical suspension seat, optional air ride seat suspension, 2 joysticks control the direction and speed of the loader as well as the loader and auxiliary functions with the optional ability to customize the pilot controls. In case of emergency, the loader is equipped with several features to be able to exit the enclosed cab, such as the loader arm relief valve, a side glass breaker, and industry-exclusive emergency roof hatch. The back of the loader, accessibility to conduct routine and scheduled maintenance is a breeze with toolless swing-out doors. Also incorporated in the rear door is a protected location for an optional backup camera. In the rear is a 74 horsepower Tier 4 final Yanmar diesel engine that has proven reliability and performance and better yet does not require diesel exhaust fluid. Under the loader, the belly pans are bolted on in 4 separate pieces to allow for easier removal when needing to clean or perform service work on the loader. The loader is a box frame design with an integrated foot pad that provides rigidity to the lift arms. At the back, the pivot point is placed up higher to help promote visibility from the operator's station. The loader comes standard with a mechanical quick detach mounting plate or an optional hydraulic quick connect attachment mounting plate that utilizes 2 hydraulic cylinders for increased reliability. The loader can also be equipped with self-leveling and return position settings that can be controlled from the operator's station. For attachments requiring auxiliary hydraulics, the machine provides 24.7 gallons per minute of flow. An optional high flow option can be ordered with the ability to reach 34 gallons per minute. The VT-80 also maximizes reliability. It includes a 2-year, 2,000-hour warranty that not only boasts the industry's only no derailment guarantee, but also covers the tracks the entire warranty period. Thanks for checking out the new VT-80. If you'd like to learn more, check it out at asvi.com or visit your local ASV dealer.